Alright, everybody, I have to feed some cats in my neighborhood. Usually have stray cats. Alright, close the door. So I got a cup of food. Sorry, I forgot to set it for 3 minutes. Right. Just mix. Right. Let me wash this real quick. And you're asking I'm not feeding my other cat, it's because she just ate like a whole lot. So she's taking a cat nap up there, right here, if you can see her. Alright, we got this. We got some food of different flavors. We got some white cat food. We got some hard food. So let's go call them. Up here so I can call them while, yeah. Alright, let me just. One second. Now we're waiting for the cats to come out. I'll let you know when the cats come. Alright. Excuse you, singer. So I guess I can show you this later. I don't know what the cats are. They might be inside, but. Alright, so we're gonna just put this down. Got some pretty yummy food right here. I'm gonna put it right outside of the house so I can see them. I'm gonna put the window right here. My cats are gonna freak out, but I got to see. Where's the food? Alright. Get the food. So we gotta feed the cats, if not feed the raccoons. What the heck do you think I did win? Hi, puppies. Anyways, ugh. I'm so excited to see my cats eat. But I might put some food out for the new birds coming from the south. But anyways, bye.